This is cat rescue 976, and this cat is up here. I think it's a oak tree. He's way up there, about halfway up. You can see him. Hey kitty, you see me? I'm coming for you, okay? All right, Pumpkin, I'm coming for you. Is it all right? You ready? Okay. He's talking to me, so means probably he's good. He's good. Hey, Pumpkin. Yeah, I know it. I know it. I know. You want to come down, don't you? Huh? Don't you want to come down? Okay. Pumpkin, you ready to come down, aren't you? Okay. We get you down. Okay, it won't be that hard. Okay? It might be a little scary, okay? I'm gonna do a short pole grab. It'll scare him, but it's the safest way to get him, okay? Oh, Pumpkin. I know it. I know it. I know. I know it, Pumpkin. I know. Ah. Yeah, these people been taking care of you for the past 3 months? Huh? They've been taking care of you? Huh? Yeah, they have? Oh. Well, that's good. You got people that care about you and love you, you know? I know it. Okay. I know. Here we go. You're a pretty kitty, you know? You're a pretty kitty. I know. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get him, okay? Okay, he did real good. He did real good. No problem at all. Yeah, I know it. Was that bad? That wasn't bad, was it? Kathmandu Rescue's coming down.
She's ready for food, I know that.
Yeah. How long has she been up there?
Today's probably 3 days.
3.
4 days.
Okay.
3, 4, I don't know.
Okay, okay.
This is her second tree too, because they tried to go down yesterday and then she ran up another one.
Oh no, that's crazy. Okay.